Morning, Old Faithful Geyser. Now we are walking towards the most important, or you can say the most sellable item of Yellowstone National Park, and that is the Old Faithful Geyser. I'm not sure when it will erupt the next time. We are already here. Probably the wait time is around 90 minutes. It's called Old Faithful because it has always been faithful. It's always erupt in every 90 minutes. It can be, 10 to 20 minutes earlier or 10 to 20 minutes late, but yeah, the average range is 90 minutes only. Been walking on this trail from around 45 minutes already, and we have seen almost 50 or 55 different types of geysers. Approaching the morning glory pool.
I guess the best is saved for the last.
Wow. So we are starting the trail of the Grand Prismatic Lake, and we are excited. A lot of excitement. There are a lot of people around here. Here's Happy. It's big. It's big from almost all the pools that we have visited today. It's beautiful. And lots of people, so I still have to wear the mask. Made it finally. There are lots of people standing there. So we are not planning to see it from the near because we are just able to see the part of it, but yeah, definitely. Is amazing.
Moving ahead in the fire loop trail.
At each and every corner you are able to find geysers here. So this is water tower geyser. lake here.
You can see the bubbling water.
The
down.
bubbling water there. That's the geyser. Artist paint pots.
This is the view of the falls from the north rim of the canyon. You can see the trail over there. It is the south rim. We already finished that hike. Now we are on the north side of the trail of the north rim. The view is like this. So we are here at the inspiration point, which has the canyon views.
Montana part is always beautiful. We are loving it.
This is the Basin peak, and we are heading to Mammoth Hot Springs.
It's a good spot to end the day actually. This is our last spot for the day, and we started well in Old Faithful area, and now we are ending well in the Mammoth area. This is gorgeous. I mean, this is totally similar. I would not say totally similar, but it's similar to the Tavertines of Turkey. Pamukkale, yeah. This is the Liberty Cap, and that is the Travertines.
World's tallest geyser. Hello guys, good morning from Montana.
And this is the last day of our Yellowstone Park trip. After that we have to drive back to Chicago.
We spent our whole night beside this spot.
It's a rest area just 20 or 30 miles outside the park, and you can see the views around, and we both are all set. Here we are. So we are on the 45th parallel of latitude, halfway between equator and the North Pole. This is some good shit. There and check the petrified tree. Petrified tree, and can you imagine, it's standing there from almost 50 million years. There were originally 3 of them here. 2 of them were chipped off from the hunters and people living around here. Fortunately, we have one of all the 3 trunks that is still standing tall here, and it is an example of ash being deposited on the trees, making it petrified. Volcanic ashes. It's preserved.